Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to reduce our actual torches or cutting speed when it comes to the corners. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. So now I currently just have a basic sheet, metal sheet with a square on the sheet that will be cutting. So now this first setting for reducing the speed, what will happen is when it cuts, when it gets close to the corner, it will slow down, finish the corner, and then speed up again. By the corner, slow down, finish the corner, and speed up. Just something this is going to help to get a bit more clearer finish and not such messy corners. Now, in order to set that setting, we want to go here to configuration. Then we're going to go to machine. So this will be our third tab from our settings. And then if we go down, we will find at the bottom here, cutting technology table. We want to open that, and then from this area we've got a few different settings we can set. So first of all, we're going to be looking at, like I said, reducing the speed in for the corners. So we've got here reduce speed in vertices. So now this is going to use it to adjust the corner of the speed. So if we go activate, we'll see we have a few different settings here. We've got the speed, so you can see it goes to 75%. And then we've got the distance before vertice, distance after. So basically before the corner, be 3 mil, after will be 3 mil when it speeds up again. So those values are quite important to be aware of. Then you can simply say OK, or apply and OK. I'm going to say again, apply and OK. And then that is adjusted. But just keep in mind that you have adjusted it. So if in future your corners aren't acting correctly, then just first go make sure if that setting is on or not. Now next up, in our next video, we're going to be looking at another nice little feature for the torch height, and these two normally go hand in hand with each other, but we will save that for another video. But otherwise, in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.